Hi guys, I'm Melissa Schumann and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be a very quick video. I had a hard time figuring out how I was going to decide who was going to win this giveaway, so I'm going old school with this and I'm just going to draw a name from this bowl. You know, very Y2K because we didn't have a lot of technology back then. I'm gonna make this short and sweet. We're just gonna go ahead and do it now, guys. I'm nervous. Look into the camera right now. I should look into my YouTube video and see if you could just say your name. Say your name. Let's see what happens. And the winner, I can feel it. The winner of the Y2K giveaway is dun, 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 Shawn Shamrock. I hope that you enjoy all the goodies. Be sure to DM me on my Instagram with your mailing address, and I hope that you enjoy it. Thank you to everybody who participated and entered to win this giveaway. I had a lot of fun putting it together, so much that I'm going to do more in the future. I loved Jenna's suggestion to do different themes every single time. So if you guys have a specific theme or like a sort of category, like maybe it's all like beauty items or I don't know, stuff like that, best of, I don't know, themes, let me know. I had a blast. It was so much fun and I look forward to doing more in the future. So I have a lot of really fun videos coming up in the next month. A lot of them are suggestions made by you guys, so thank you very much. I'm going to be doing some cooking videos, maybe even a fall workout video. I'm working on some music sessions. It might be something a little bit unexpected, but I'm excited about it. I think I'm going to do some show tunes because I grew up as a musical theater kid, and it'd be kind of fun to go back to my roots. I think that most people are used to hearing me sing, obviously doing pop music, and I kind of want to show you guys what I can do as far as like musical theater. Like I love musical theater, so I'm going to look back on some old home videos. I've got stuff, obviously things from my childhood that I'd like to share that I think are really fun and funny that you guys might enjoy, and then of course some stuff from my own personal vault of like, I don't know, videos of Dream, like the early 2000s and even before we were signed, some really fun stuff. So I hope that you guys enjoy that. Thank you so much again, and congrats, Shawn, on winning the giveaway. Until next time, mwah.